Welcome to our guide on the simplified method for claiming your home office deduction and filling out the IRS form. The simplified method is designed to make calculating your home office deduction easier. Instead of detailed expense tracking, it uses a straightforward square footage calculation. To qualify, your home office must be used regularly and exclusively for business purposes. Measure the area used for your office space. It must be your principal place of business and where you meet clients. Now let's walk through the IRS Form 8829. Start by entering your total area of home on line 2. Then the square footage of your office space on line 1. Multiply this by $5 per square foot up to 300 square feet. Calculating your deduction transfers it to Schedule C for sole proprietorships or Form 1065 for partnerships. Remember, keep detailed records of your calculation and supporting document. And there you have it, the simplified method for claiming your home office deduction made easy.